Okay, guys. Today I went to Walmart again. I found the brand new for 2026 new truck, Silverback Attack, which is cool. Here it is, new for 2026. There it is. I love the great tires on this. Can't wait to pop it open. There's the back of it. Name: Silverback Attack, truck type SUV, strength Apex Predator, crash attack Gorilla Smash. All I need is the rescue, and I'm done with this collection. This mix, really cool. Let's get to unboxing, guys. Here we go. Ooh, like that one. Care about that. Here it is, guys. Look at that. The Silverback Gorilla is cool. Then it has them on the roof. Silverback Attack with the Hot Wheels Mack Trucks logo. Yellow windshield. Like charcoal gray tires. Is that metal flake? Tires that have glitter on them. Dark blue rims and beadlocks. Chrome chassis. Black roll cage. I love that though. That's so cool. Silverback Attack. So a really great name and truck. I like this one a lot. It's really awesome. Glad I found it today. So that's all I got today. Like, subscribe, comment, share, has more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed. Oh, and I forgot to mention no headlight printing.